In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change refresh rate on iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to control the refresh rate on any iPhone model, including the 11 Pro Max. You will be able to set it to a fixed 60 Hz if you prefer a lower refresh rate, or have it to upwards of 120. So all that you have to do to control the refresh rate on any iPhone model is to access these settings and then go into the accessibility category. So scroll all the way down until you find accessibility. Inside of accessibility, you will see the motion or vision category, and then you can go into motion. So find vision and go into motion. When you go inside of the motion options, you will find the only setting related to controlling the refresh rate. As you can see, they call it frame rate. However, it is essentially the same thing, just different terminologies. So all that you have to do in here is enable or disable this option. As the name suggests, this will limit the frame rate to 60. So if this option is enabled, the device's screen will be fixed to 60 Hz. So if you prefer lower refresh rates, all that you have to do is enable this, and you will be able to use those lower refresh rates, which might help you if you are getting eye discomfort. If this option is off, which is the default, so if you have never changed this, it is going to be off by default, the screen will automatically adjust itself, and it can go to upwards of 120 Hz. The reason why I say can go is because the screen in most iPhone models will automatically adjust itself to the situation. So if you are doing something intensive like playing a game, it is going to reach those higher refresh rates by adjusting itself. However, if you are doing day-to-day browsing and you don't need those super high refresh rates, it will automatically lower the refresh rate. This is done in order to save battery, and sadly, as it stands today, you will not be able to fix it to 120 Hz like you can do with 60. So to keep it simple, if you enable this option, you get a fixed 60 Hz, and if you set it to off, which is the default, the screen will automatically adjust itself to upwards of 120 Hz. I hope I was able to help you on how to change refresh rate on iPhone 11 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.